Namaste everyone, I am Dr. Sangeeta Gautam and this is BSc B.Ed second semester class. Today's topic is solid state. As we know that I take a class of introductory class of solid state. Then today I will take the next topic of this unit, space lattice and unit cell. We know that in crystalline solids there is crystal structure, and in crystal structure we use two different terms which are very commonly used, space lattice and unit cell. So in today's class we know about what is space lattice and unit cell. First of all, I tell you about space lattice. What is space lattice? Space lattice means a regular arrangement of infinite set of points in space is called a lattice and space lattice. The space lattice may be one-dimensional, two-dimensional and three-dimensional depending upon the number of parameters required to define it. In one-dimensional space lattice, repeat distances are 1. In two-dimensional space lattice, the repeat distances are 2 and interfacial angles are also 2. In three-dimensional space lattice, repeat distances are 3 and the interfacial angles are also 3. Now we know about what is one-dimensional, two-dimensional and three-dimensional space lattice. One-dimensional space lattice can be shown in this diagram. It is important that a lattice, it is the arrangement of points only, not the lines joining them. Lines are used simply to present the complete shape. Thus, a space lattice with reference to crystal may be defined as an array of points showing the arrangement of constituents in three-dimensional space. As we know, as you can see in this diagram, points are arranged in one line, so only one type of distance we use to define it. So this is repeat distances is only 1 in one-dimensional space lattice. In this diagram, points are arranged in this direction and second in this direction, x-axis or y-axis. So two types of distances are required to define two-dimensional space lattice, A type and B type. In third diagram, it is a cube where three type of distances A, B and C are required to define this crystal lattice. So there is three type of repeated distances A, B and C and three angles alpha, beta and gamma. Gamma are required to define this space lattice. So this is one-dimensional, this is two-dimensional and this is three-dimensional space lattice. Now we can understand, now we discuss about unit cell. What is unit cell? You can see this a crystal lattice where this cube is a unit cell. By the repetition of these type of cubes, a lattice is made. So this cube is also known as unit cell. So we can say that unit cell, the smallest repeating pattern from which the lattice is built, is known as unit cell. The unit cell are repeated over and over again in three-dimensional and result into the whole of the space lattice of the crystal. Thus, the unit cell, in fact, it is the smallest sample that represents the picture of the entire crystal. The crystal may therefore be considered to consist of infinite number of unit cells. Now, types of unit cell. There are 4 types of unit cell. First is simple cell. This is first simple cell, simple unit cell. In this type, points are present only at the corner of the unit cell. Only corner of the unit cell. Second type is face-centered unit cell. In face-centered unit cell, points are present at the corner and an additional point is present at the center of each of the 6 faces. Each of the 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. First is this, and 6 phases and 6 points. Third point is body centered unit cell. In this type, points are present at the corners and an additional point is present at the center of the unit cell. This is body centered unit cell. Last type is end face centered unit cell. In this type, points are present at the corner and at the center of the 2 ends. Center of the 2 ends. So, hope you like this video and understand what is space lattice and unit cell. Thank you so much and namaste everyone. If you have any query or any problem, you can comment on this video.